says we're recording, so here we go. This is Bob, December 20th, 2013. I'm going to do a little demonstrations and have some fun with launching these paper disc and other items off the top of the Graaf generator, which is right here. That's just a grounding terminal that's not being used. It's just in the system. I moved it out of the way. On top we have a lifter surface perched on top of the oblate or the dome. Let's see what happens. It flies away, which is supposed to. Now let's see what else will fly away here. We got, now this is just a little, this is 6 1/8 inch diameter. Let's see if we can use a larger diameter. Here's a 7 3/8 diameter, but that's larger than the dome diameter, so it may not work. Let's see what happens. It ain't moving. Didn't think it would. It's taking a charge, but it wouldn't lift. Okay. Let's just take it down. Let's try. Oh, you've all seen the aluminum plate. If I can get my hands on it. Even though it's larger than the dome, being metal, it charges up pretty good. It goes pretty fast too. Here we go, let's try it. Repels it immediately. Alright. Now, let's try different objects here. Different styles, shapes, sizes. Here's a little bottom cone is 45 degrees, flat on top. Let's see if this will launch. Let's see if we can launch it. And there it goes. They go up about 6 inches. I put a real short shaft on the base here, so they would deliberately take off. Which I like. Let's try a little bit bigger one. Not a bigger one, but a bigger one. This is a 45 degree cone with about a 10 degree top. But it's smaller than the diameter of the oblate, and it should lift. Let's see what happens. Well, it doesn't go off, it won't go off the shaft. Interesting, huh? Well, but it does lift. It's not heavy. These things only weigh grams. There we go. Now, let's try a flat plate. This is my test plate. I always use a test plate flat, because it does not normally work. I got it to work yesterday, oddly enough. Alright, let's see what happens. Okay, takes a charge, but it doesn't do anything either. I always like to discharge them. Discharge, discharge, discharge. Okay. Now, let's try them upside down. This is the 6 1/4, 6 1/8 diameter one upside down. See if it makes a difference. Apparently not. Now this is pure repulsion. But you would think if the what's going on inside the cone-shaped disc lifters, is different than what's going on in this flat plate, because the flat plate won't work and it's getting charged. I want to try the little cone here, if I can retrieve it without bumping anything. Let's see if it'll work. Oh. Steep angle of the cone part is up, and away it goes. See, it likes it. It just likes it. Now, let's try, just for the fun of it, I have this little teardrop. I have a video where I use these little, this is just a foam, cut out of foam. It's stuck, I don't know, for some reason. Well, it doesn't move real freely on the, I'm not going to try it. I don't know what happened. It's got a plastic straw sleeve in the center, so it moves up, gives it clearance, but that one must have collapsed somehow. Let's try that one. Well, it's charging up, but it's not doing anything. Okay. Well, that's about it. You can try different things, like I said, but you got to watch the diameter. It can't be larger than the dome. This one works just fine. I'm going to show you on a long shaft. How high they lift. There, see, I have it on a long shaft. I hope we got enough light. It's a gloomy day. One day it's in the 20s, now it's in the 50s, and it's raining. Well, you know why? No, I don't know why. Why are you not lifting? There we go. See, that's about as far as they'll lift. Now, if I put a negative top plate up here, a grounded top plate, I can make it climb. I have a video showing that. And it'll stay, you see, as the charge dissipates, it drops. Because gravity is constantly pulling on it. And as soon as the repulsion action, when I say dissipate, I mean that it ionizes the air and away it goes. That is generally it. Alright, I just wanted a short video on that. It's just a fun thing that I like to do. It's a nice little demonstration. But you can see that the shape is, how it's constructed, is very important. Talk to you later.